Okay, so here we have the famous tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow speech from the play Macbeth. This is spoken by Macbeth at the end of the show, just after his wife has died. And what we're going to be talking about today is iambic pentameter. And just how that works. Okay, pentameter. Not the most graceful of penmanship with the mouse, but it will serve our purposes. So iambic pentameter, we have an iamb, which is an unstressed syllable followed by a stressed. That's how we notate it. And then penta means 5. So we have a foot here. This is called a foot, a metric foot, and this is an iambic metric foot. And so we have 5 iambs right next to each other, and it will look something like this. D-dum, that's 1 foot. D-dum, that's 2 feet. D-dum, 3 feet. D-dum, D-dum. Right? This could be to be or not to be, that is the question. But soft, what light through yonder window breaks? Any number of things. In our example, we have tomorrow. Wait, tomorrow. Oh, I messed it up. It's only going to be 3 syllables, looks like 4. Tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow, right? So we have a little extra little guy here. It's a feminine ending, but we'll get into that later. So the main thing that we want to look at are these feet here. And so that tells us something very interesting about this speech. So normally when you would read this, you would want to say tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow. But when we look at where the stresses are, where do the stresses fall? I mean, the stresses naturally fall on the tomorrow, where they would fall just if you were to say the word. But what's interesting here is Shakespeare highlights these ands. Excuse me. So it actually would read tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow. Creeps in this pace from day to day to the last syllable of recorded time. So that's kind of interesting, because what he's saying is that all of the days are going to go slowly and they're going to go monotonously, and it's as meaningless as a tale told by an idiot, full of sound and fury and signifying nothing. It's going to be as tedious as a twice-told tale. So it's kind of interesting here that we have the ands, and it lends itself to that pace. So we have tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow. Creeps in this pace from day to day to the last syllable of recorded time.